Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset Instagram algorithm. If you're using Instagram and you want to reset your Instagram algorithm, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open up your Instagram app. Here, if you are seeing any videos of the types which you don't want to watch, for example, if you are having any sensitive videos here, so let's see how can you easily fix this issue or how can you easily reset your algorithm. So you must have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then select the three dots in the top right corner, and from here you have to scroll down and you will get the preferences option. It might be something like content preferences, so you can easily, if you have any content suggestion option, so you must have to select the option. In my case there's only content preferences, but if you are on the older version, so it might be that there will be content suggestions, so you have to select the options. Once you have selected, you will get an option like reset suggestion content. Simply select that option, and from here select next, and then select reset suggestions content. Then tap on it again, and once you have do this, your all content will be resetted. For example, if you was having any sensitive videos, so now after resetting you will not get something like that. Or now let's see how can you easily create the content or feed you want. You just have to like the video of which type you want. For example, I'm going to like this nature loving video, so you must have to search for the videos or the category which you want to watch on your feed. So that's how you can easily change your or reset your Instagram algorithm. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.